machinery.
And go. What was that?
Es las hombre de rejo.
Me llamo de la piscina de la muerta.
¿Dónde es las hombre de rojo?
¿Dónde?
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hold on. Silence.
You're gonna reach for his underside here, okay? And that's when he goes for the gun. When he does that, bring the gun over his blade. It's a little complicated, but I think you'll probably have this from the whatever. Here, step in and then push and throw the gun out at the same time. This one might take a few goes, but you should be able to do it.
Go.
Waluigi! What? Fuck you.
And
Did I say it right now? But this is fun! Okay.
yep, and action. And searched for many years and found nothing. Nor have we found anyone willing to help us. Or a way out of the cave. Should I read now?
Boy!
Okay, action.
I'm the machine!
Hold on, I want to do that again. I don't know why. I wasn't looking at the camera.
This is your father's lightsaber. It was a weapon of a Jedi Knight. That's as clumsy or random as a shroom.
Get balls of God. No, we just keep shooting each other.
Action.
From there, come underneath, almost like a shovel. Underneath, and kick it out. You're pretty much gonna kick it and me out of the So it'll come under, like that. See? So it scoops across your body like this. So first position, it'll scoop under straight, and then use the back edge of the blade to roll it out. Okay. Like that, and then do a spin for fun, and then reset.
And then we square off.
Please subscribe! It's free and easy. Just click the red button. And remember, every time you subscribe to Zaandarbrow, you get a lifetime supply of update videos. Hooray! You're still here? Why didn't you click it yet? Fine. I guess you don't want to see what's on their Patreon.